Okay, so we're at Zhongshan 4. There's an underground book street right there too. Elsley, somebody was telling me about that bookstore. But what we're gonna do is be following this all the way down. So there's a kind of a cool path all the way this way. But before we even do, we're kind of in this main street of Zhongshan. Got a lot of people walking around everywhere today. So we're gonna kind of capture some of that as well. And then we're gonna go down that little street and check it all out. Before we begin, the Christmas tree right there. It's because it's January, it's kind of close to Chinese New Year right now. So anyways, station, and we're gonna go down that way. Actually, might even go by that way, and then go down that way. Nonetheless, here we are. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so that's where we're gonna be going down. This is a busy street. People everywhere. And we're gonna go down by walk by the Christmas tree first. That's the station right there. And let's see, we're gonna navigate a little bit, then we're gonna go to the left. And we're in this Zhongshan area. I think I'll let you know the name of the street later. But I think one thing that I think, I am not an expert in Taipei for when I'm visiting. But I think that this park goes down quite a ways. And I really want to see what's all the stuff is down here, because there's a ton of stuff. But even right here, there's some pretty cool looking stuff right there. So that's the alley that we started at. It was right there. Some people are walking down the alley, some are walking down the park. And it looks like we have all these little side streets that equally look really cool too. Check out that house over there. That one. A lot of it kind of reminds me of Seoul. And Seoul is such a cool city. Taipei is such a cool city too. Got these little alleys like that. Blackfin. I could walk down any one of these alleys and be interesting. But we're gonna stay focused on this one. Yeah, actually one of the habits that I have is I've been trying to do streets, like just stay faithful to one street and just go down it. But the streets in Taipei are, I don't know, such a cool street. Yellowtail. Like when I'm in Macau and in Hong Kong, you know, the streets are well, I don't know. Basically, I think if I write down the streets in Taipei, it doesn't have any meaning, is what I think. Okay. Because I think my gathering is like all these little things. They'll be like named after the main road, and they'll be like lane 41, stuff like that. That's kind of a cool image right there. I can see somebody posing for a picture right there, so it's kind of cool. These alleys. There's so many cool alleys everywhere. It's kind of cool too. Got more of these little alleys down here as well. I'll just kind of capture everything here. It's kind of cool. Underground bookstore, this is the one that somebody was telling me about. They were telling me that this one is maybe the biggest one, I think. Okay, so this is I'm just gonna take a look at these streets real quick. So it's like, I think this main street I think is called Qifeng Street, and then there's all these little lanes. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think later I might do some lanes, and then I'll just label them like Qifeng Street, lane 33, because I think that that's how they organize it here. And I say that without really fully knowing for sure, but I think that's how they do it. I'm gonna keep on walking down. Cars can come down this way, it looks like, but they're all coming one way. Patriot. kind of want to get my hair cut actually. Thinking about it. It's kind of a cool house. Yeah, there's just all kinds of little hidden stuff everywhere. And this is Zhongshan. How cool this is too. La Lapine. I think it's like a French reference. There's your little French looking guy right there, right? It looks really cool. La Lapine. Okay, let's keep on walking. Accessories. Okay, so we're gonna keep on checking stuff out. It's actually a Friday, so today is a Friday before Chinese New Year, for reference's sake. I think I'll probably end up gonna go down these little alleys in a little bit. R9 Cafe, that looks pretty cool. Actually, Taipei is kind of cool, filled with kind of cool stuff. The underground bookstore looks pretty big. Actually, this coffee shop looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's a pretty cool city actually. Okay, let me see. So that's basically where we're at. There's kind of inside stuff in some of these as well. Some Korean up there. What's that say? Madura coffee. It's a coffee shop. Okay. Kopi. Manura. Reading the Korean. It just says it in Korean, but let me see. Oh, they also got bibimbap and tofu. So the bibimbap is the Korean one. Tofu is the Taiwan one. Hey, these alleys look really interesting. So here's Chifeng Street and then lane 47. So we're definitely 100% on Chifeng Street for sure. I'm gonna keep on going down. And I think later I'm gonna go down some of those little alleys. I guess I can label it accordingly. Chifeng Street, lane 44 or whatever it is. Okay. Zhongshan. We got 7 minutes, okay. So it looks like we're still pretty good with time. Usually I try to go about 7-8 minutes, sometimes 12-14 minutes. It's kind of interesting. And I'll be filming some more stuff, and I'll probably go down some of these streets. They're like really interesting. So here's the Watt. Okay, here's Yakitori Cafe and Bistro. That looks pretty tasty. Orion, that one is Japanese Okinawa beer. Yeah, actually you can see some pretty cool stuff. Like those windows up there. Got some good music in here. Let's kind of keep on seeing what's all down here. Definitely got to go down these alleys and check them all out. I think the ones behind me were the most interesting ones. They were kind of closer to the station. Okay, let me just kind of see here. I went by this cookies one the other day. That line was so full. I want to walk on this one and stay on this side of the street though, but that cookies one was huge. Maybe you saw my other video not too long ago. Let me see. This one is pretty popular here. It's like Japanese. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is there's a cookies one. That line was so long, so incredible that how long it was. So I think what I want to do is go back and check it out. So we're gonna cross this park, and we'll see what that looks like, and then we're gonna end the video. So this is in Zhongshan. Let's see, that cookie shop is right up there. Let me just kind of see here. There's more stuff all the way down that way. Oh, looks like they even got like some kind of lantern up there, some Chinese New Year stuff. Okay, we're gonna end over here by this. Just want to see if this cookie shop is busy today as well. Looks like it's not the same as it was yesterday. But yeah, yesterday this one was crazy. There was a line that was super long. It went all the way down there. I guess maybe maybe that's when it first baked the cookies, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, here we are in Zhongshan. We'll end it right there. Okay, that was another street of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.